everyone, today I will introduce the difference between knob version, caliper version, and electric version. There are the three focusing methods we choose to use when looking for the central focal length. The first one is electric version, which we can control directly through the computer. First, draw a figure in the center of the format. Adjust the parameters. Click Setting, click Find Adjust Dynamic Module. It will show the adjustment ruler. When the focus is above, hold down Shift and Up on your keyboard. When the focus is below, hold down Shift and down in your keyboard. Adjust the dynamic axis position until the focus lands on the processing surface. And then click Save. Under the same format, the saved focus position can be reused. The second one is caliper version. First, we set the marking parameters and click to preview. Open the small window on the front of the caliper. Unscrew the up screw and move the caliper to adjust the focus position. When the focus is above, push the caliper to the right. When the focus is below, push the caliper to the left. Tighten the screw after the focus position lands on the processing surface. Then close the small window. The third one is knob version. This adjusts the position of dynamic axis by rotating the knob. When the focus is above, turn the knob clockwise. When the focus is below, turn the knob anti-clockwise. Make sure the focus position lands on the processing surface. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.